Hi there. I am Ms. Bee, Honeybee actually, at Bradbury Family Farms in Surprise, Arizona. I and my fellow hive mates make some of the best tasting, all Arizona natural raw honey. Please, after I'm done, explore the website to learn about bees and how to buy the best Arizona raw honey around. Okay, did you know a bee in its entire lifespan makes only 1/12 tablespoon of honey? To make a pound of honey, over 2 million flowers must be visited for pollen, and my entire hive of well over 10,000 bees will only make about 60 pounds of honey a year. The jar of honey you will buy here represents a lot of work done by a whole lot of our bees. Our honey is raw honey. It only goes through one filter to take the impurities out, and we strive to only deliver the best, great-tasting raw honey for you. Okay, now I got to get back to work making honey. Click into the website and buy some Arizona Bradbury Family Farms honey. And please, don't forget, honey makes a great gift too. I hope you also come back often to buy more honey, as it's really good for you. Right now though, I have to buzz off. Bye!
To find the place? Well, follow these directions.